Hey loves, Mohania here, and as I promised on Instagram, I'm doing a video of how I upcycled my desk, and I painted this beautiful lavender color. If you're interested in seeing what it looked like before, stay tuned. So here's my desk before, and I had to do a voiceover because I just can't walk and chew gum at the same time, apparently. So this is what the desk looked like before, just a silver metal desk, which I got from my brother, and it was sitting outside. We were gonna give it away, and I thought about upcycling it. So I went and got some paint from Lowe's, and this is the Krylon Color Max Paint Plus Primer Indoor Outdoor in the color Gloss Gum Drop, and it is absolutely gorgeous, as you saw in the previous clip. So sorry, I was recording this on my phone and I forgot to turn it sideways, so that's why it's the narrow screen there, which is very irritating to me, but you'll be able to see the process. So I decided to leave the little rubber cushions, the suction cups for the glass on there, because they were just too difficult to pull off. And I'm just going to begin spraying. So it is very important to stay 6 to 8 inches away from whatever it is or the surface that you're painting, or else you'll get runs and then like a lot of paint like coagulated in the one spot. And I'm just going back and forth, just making sure to get a nice even spray. I hate painting when it wasn't even windy, but I hate painting where there is wind blowing, because you lose a lot of the paint. So it is ideal to paint inside if you can, in a well ventilated area, like a garage would be ideal. But our garage, well, what used to be the garage, is my workspace. So yeah, I just went ahead and painted outside, where I spray paint everything that I work on. Just go ahead and do the outside for the ventilation, of course. And again, sorry about the filming. I should have had my husband film it, but he was busy working. We have some other projects that we are currently filming as well, some DIY and renovation projects we're doing in our backyard right now. So he was working on that, and I knew that I needed to get this desk in, so I just went ahead and started painting. So I'm going to skip to the finished product, or to the next step, because this might be making you dizzy, but I just want to give you the little spiel on everything that was going on with this project, or the directions. So I'm going to go ahead and skip to the next scene now. This is a basket that I purchased from Daiso, and it has the hooks on it, so it is perfect for hanging under my desk for extra storage. So I'm going to paint this to match my desk. I tried to paint it on our clothesline so that I could have a even spray all the way around, but as you can see, it got very, very windy, so I'm going to have to move it to the ground, spray paint it, and you will see it when it is back in the house and in place under my desk. So I changed my mind. I actually decided to go ahead and insert a clip of me painting the basket, just in case anyone was curious, especially if you're new to DIYs. I'm using the same method and technique to paint the basket as I did the metal desk, and the paint adheres the exact same to both surfaces. I was running out of paint because I had already applied 2 coats to my desk, and then some touch-ups and crevices that I missed, and this is my second can of paint. So if you have a desk the same size as mine, you will need 2 cans, and there is like a third part to the desk that I didn't attach yet, so I would need 4 cans. If I decide to do that, I'll need to get 2 more cans, so it would be 4 cans in total. So here is my beautiful desk. I am so in love with it. It is absolutely gorgeous. The color is perfection. And now this is my writing space. On the other side of the room, I have my desk where my computer sits and a lot of my crafting supplies. So I got this crate here from Big Lots. I got 3 of them. The color matches my desk perfectly, as you can see. There is the tray under there with my number keypad and my mouse in there just for some extra storage. I also purchased this beautiful rug from Amazon. I definitely will leave the link in the description box below. It is a 3x5 and it was under 40 bucks. So this DIY project was super easy. I forgot to state in the beginning that I wiped everything down before I started painting. Of course, the glass was removed, as you saw. Super easy to do, and I am so in love. And I will be back very soon showing you all of my pink and lavender accessories that I have for my 2020 iPad Pro 12.9 inch. So stay tuned for that video. And then also today, as I'm filming this, I'm waiting on a new planner to arrive. So I'm super hyped about that. Hopefully another one that I've been waiting on for like 3 months. I think this is the tracking for it. Ordered it from AliExpress, so I'm not sure. But I'm just rambling at this point. I apologize. I just missed you all so much. It's so much I have to fill you all in, on, and about. And I just want to thank you so much for watching. Remember to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at the.extra.planner. Also, if you have any questions, you can leave them in the description box below. Or email me at theextraplanner@gmail.com. So that's theextraplanner@gmail.com. If you have questions you don't really feel comfortable asking here. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.